Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm planning to vlog. So I'm just gonna give a quick rundown of what this video is about. So I'm off this whole week because I took a PTO. That's because I should have taken it a while back, but I didn't. I usually don't. I don't know why. I never take off or call off when I work, and even when I'm sick, I still go into work at times, and so I just have all my PTOs. And I decided for PTOs at my job, if you don't use it, you're going to lose it. So you're going to lose it by July 1st, the next fiscal year. So I decided, let me just take the whole week off. I guess a couple of weeks, 1 week off before the end of June. And yeah, my goal is to try to get as much content as possible. That way, when I get back to work, I can go back to my regular schedule of editing, in the evenings and things like that. So I just got back home from dropping off my son at daycare. I have about 3 or 4 videos that I want to record, and not today, but this on the course of this whole week, my goal is to record at least 3 to 4 videos, and then edit them when I'm back to work, like I said earlier. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog as well. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. And also like this video, give it a thumbs up. My arm is hurting, so I'm just going to put these down so that I can actually get my breakfast started. I have already started making my tea. Usually I'm going to have a cup of tea and a breakfast sandwich. So we are gonna have dinner at Big Bowl. I'm hoping they will allow. Oh look, they changed the outside or something for Big Bowl. It looks a little bit different. Anyways, we're going to have dinner at Big Bowl, all of us. James, are you gonna eat when we get out there?
He's gonna drive right now.
He's trying to drive. Alright, well, see you guys inside. Hopefully they allow me to record.
I think we're being too loud.
We're gonna do the stir-fry brown, right? Stir-fry brown, right, babe? James is gonna have what's he gonna have? I don't think he has please. So we're done at Big Bowl, but I didn't finish my food. My husband didn't finish his food. James didn't even really eat. Luckily, I always pack something that he likes, so he's going to eat. We're probably going to go to the mall to play right now. and then, well, for him to play and burn off some energy, and then head home. Hi guys, so we're heading home now. We just kind of went through Legoland in this area. Right, it's actually right next to the big bowl that we went to eat dinner at. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog.
Hello, we are here.
Are you vlogging?
What,
Time for that.
what's up, yeah? Good morning, YouTube. And my beautiful wife, subscribers. We are right here at our favorite breakfast restaurant for our son. But
Are you okay? Don't put me on camera. I'm not interested right now.
this is how my wife looks when she wants to look that way.
Food is here. James, food is here. Are you ready to eat?
And we have our delicious
Yay,
food
my food
right
is
here.
here.
It's for my wife,
Are you seriously vlogging?
and that's for my son, and this for Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm trying to vlog. She's the vlogging.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's good though.
Yeah.
When I have the time. All right.
Yeah. Right now, this is the vlog. Thank you.
Thank you.
Can I have yeah, can I have oranges? Yeah, thank you. And this is the birthday boy. Let's see how he's gonna do with his food. Well, this is avocado skillet. Yeah.
I did meat lover skillet.
This one is a little bit spicy. Breakfast is not complete without oranges. It's not complete.
Because today is his birthday. He turned 2 today.
Somebody go to check it. You don't go to my